Hello, welcome to Auto Critic USA. Peugeot has truly redefined modern automotive elegance and futuristic design with the 2025 electric hatchback, and this latest rendering in a bold red color against a sleek, ambient lit showroom backdrop leaves a lasting impression. From every angle, rear, side, and even top-down, the vehicle speaks volumes about Peugeot's commitment to innovation, urban mobility, and cutting-edge aesthetics. Starting from the rear, the hatchback boasts a crisp, clean layout with sharply designed LED tail lights that seamlessly integrate with the car's rear contours. The signature Peugeot emblem is centrally positioned, giving it a strong identity. The minimalist black bumper adds contrast to the vibrant red body, while the absence of traditional exhausts emphasizes its all-electric nature. The modern showroom, with white walls and ambient LED lighting, perfectly frames the vehicle, enhancing its glossy finish and crisp lines. Moving to the side profile, the Peugeot's streamlined design truly comes to life. The sculpted body lines, flush door handles, and aerodynamic shape not only add to its visual appeal but also improve performance and efficiency. Large alloy wheels with a unique spoke pattern provide stability and style. The gently sloping roofline transitions smoothly into the rear spoiler, giving it a sporty stance while maintaining practicality for daily use. Every design cue appears deliberate and refined. From the top view, the design focus on symmetry and aerodynamics becomes even more apparent. The panoramic sunroof stretches across the top, allowing natural light to pour into the cabin and offering passengers a premium experience. This bird's-eye perspective reveals the precise craftsmanship Peugeot has invested in this model, from the curvature of the roof to the placement of body accents. Internally, while not pictured, the 2025 model is expected to come with a futuristic digital cockpit, sustainable materials, and advanced driver assistance systems. Being fully electric, it promises not just zero emissions but also a quiet and smooth ride ideal for urban commutes. In conclusion, the 2025 Peugeot electric hatchback is a perfect blend of style, performance, and eco-friendliness. Whether viewed from the back, the side, or the top, its attention to detail is evident. If you're an enthusiast of modern automotive design and want to explore more such futuristic vehicles, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, Auto Critic USA, for more exclusive content and reviews.